there! Welcome back to Learn German Daily, day 10 of our journey. Yesterday, you learned the months and how to tell the date. Today, we're learning something you'll use constantly, how to tell time in German. By the end of this video, you'll be able to ask what time it is and answer with confidence. Let's get started. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this series, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single day. All right, let's dive in.
Let's start with the key question. Repeat after me. Wie spät ist es? Meaning, what time is it? Here's another common way to ask the same thing. Wie viel Uhr ist es? Meaning, literally, how much clock is it? Both mean the same thing, so use whichever feels easier for you. Now let's learn how to answer with the hour. Repeat after me. Es ist 1 Uhr. Meaning, it is 1 o'clock. Es ist 2 Uhr. Meaning, it is 2 o'clock. Es ist 3 Uhr. Meaning, it is 3 o'clock.
Now let's learn how to say half past and quarter hours. Repeat after me. Es ist halb 3. It is 2:30. Here's an important trick. In German, halb 3 doesn't mean 3:30. It means halfway to 3, so it actually means 2:30. This confuses a lot of beginners, so remember it carefully. Now let's learn quarter past and quarter to. Es ist Viertel nach 2. It is 2:15. Es ist Viertel vor 3. It is 2:45. Let's repeat all three together. Es ist halb 3. Es ist Viertel nach 2. Es ist Viertel vor 3. Excellent! You now understand one of the trickiest parts of German time, the halfway rule. Let's use this in a real, everyday conversation. I'll say each line, then you repeat it. Wie spät ist es? Meaning, what time is it? Es ist 8:30, meaning it is 8:30. Der Film beginnt 7 Uhr, meaning the movie starts at 7 o'clock. Ich habe keine Zeit, meaning I don't have time. See how naturally time fits into daily conversation? You could use these phrases today, right now. Let's use this in a real, everyday conversation. I'll say each line, then you repeat it. And that's a wrap for day 10. Let's recap what you learned today. You now know how to ask and tell time in German, including the tricky halb rule, plus quarter past and quarter to. Tomorrow, on day 11, we're learning family member vocabulary, a topic you'll use in almost every conversation. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bis bald! See you soon!